Yeah, that was definitely the way I spun though.
You spun it. That 14.1, but that guy did a 12.7.
Yeah,
that's pretty legit though.
That was amazing. What a piece of shit.
Turbo, eh?
Has to be.
Here we go. 5.0 versus RT, baby. There you go. Load up. You got him, you got him, you got him. Aww.
Yeah, shit started there.
It's good.
I gotta get this thing dyno tuned though.
What do you got?
14.5.
14.5.
Yeah, he's at 13. So he's not stock, I don't think. 13.7.
Alright. A lot of CJR cars, eh?
Whatever he did here. whatever he did here.
Oh, we got Cody and Mark.
Oh my god! Is that the drama guy?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Cody was behind off the line, but still passed it like a tractor. Oh, I got that one. I'm getting this thing. I'm figuring it out here. That's me, but that's my personal opinion, right? I don't speak for everyone else.
I guess Cody's what is that, Fred's camera you got there?
Yes. Don't worry about the bed, it's only a ZR1, so we're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
We're not fucked entirely here.
We're not, yeah, we're fine.
Come on, Jesus Ducks. Give us the loving support we need. I feel like she's not paying attention anymore. Here we go. Yeah, the potholes are good. The right lane is worse. You can see it though.
Yeah, it is worse. That's a fucking tank of a pass for the fucking Corvette.
Well, it's a ZR1 and it just did a fucking 10.8.
Like, it was only in front of me by like 5 cars.
Yeah.
It was not bad. I got to 165 there. Holy fuck, that's fucking hot.
Oh yeah, it's toasty in here. My balls got sweat on their balls.